Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Bobby. As you guys know, last October when Apple released the brand new designed iMac, they also came out with a brand new Magic Mouse. Now, when I got my iMac, I did get a Magic Mouse, and as you guys know, I did do an overview of that mouse, but I never actually did a final review on it. And I was waiting until I got my HD camera for Christmas to do this review, but I decided to just go ahead and do the review right now, considering the batteries just died for the first time, and I just figured it'd be a good time to do the review, and I didn't want to wait an extra couple weeks. So I'm doing my review on my Apple Magic Mouse right now, and I'm just gonna go over some of the specs with you guys. So this is the first multi-touch mouse ever released, and it was released by Apple, as all of you know. It has a very sleek design. It's easy to set up, and it's very efficient. It's very easy to get used to, and it's also firmware upgradable. So we're gonna probably see some software updates to make it more customizable as time goes by. And it's only $69 at the Apple Store, which is a great price for what you're getting. Okay, so the first thing I want to say is that this mouse is extremely easy to use. Now, when you first see it, it does look a little odd. It looks a little space age, and the design kind of throws you off a little bit. And when you first put your hand on it, your first impression is this mouse is really low to the ground, and I don't like how I have to arc my hand. But I guarantee you, after a couple hours of using it, you will be completely used to it. The scrolling is very simple. It's very smooth. The traction is perfect on the top of the mouse. The sensors on the mouse itself work really well too. It's able to tell that if you're just resting your hand, or if you're just readjusting it or anything like that, or if you're just resting fingers, and it can also tell when you're scrolling with one finger while another one's resting. It just does a great job of recognizing the different gestures that you're doing on the top of the mouse, and it's very easy to get the hang of, like I said. I've emphasized this video, the simplicity of this product. There's a couple things that I would like to see. There's not quite all the multi-touch gestures that are available to you on, say, an Apple trackpad. There's lots of stuff that you're kind of left wanting more, and the amount of customizing that you get is very kind of small. You're lacking the expose feature, which the Mighty Mouse had. You're lacking pinch to zoom. You're lacking rotating by like turning on top of the mouse. You're lacking a lot of things that I would like to see, and access to spaces, all the 3-finger gestures, 4-finger gestures. You're not getting any of those with this Magic Mouse. Now, because this mouse is firmware upgradable, I think Apple will incorporate these in future software updates, which I do think we'll be seeing sometime soon. But until then, I actually found a really good solution for this, and it's a quick little application you download called Better Touch Tools. Actually, it's right here. And what this does is you can, hold on, I'll install the software update in a second. But what this does is it lets you add more multi-touch gestures to the Magic Mouse. And you have it set so that it opens with login, and it adds all these extra multi-touch gestures that you're lacking out on currently at the moment, which is you guys will be able to see the date this video is uploaded. You were lacking these at the moment, but these added. So you can do 3 fingers swipe down for spaces, which is what I have it set. You can set it to pretty much anything. 3-finger click, so that's where you just put all 3 of your fingers on top of it. 3-finger click for expose. That works really well. The sensors, it just works like it's built right in. So I'm going to put a link to that in the description. Just go to the website, follow the instructions, download and install this. It's a great addition to the Magic Mouse, and it makes the usability a lot better. Now, I know a lot of you are going to be commenting down below saying, why would you use Better Touch Tools when you can just use Hot Corners? That's much easier, and it's built in by Apple. Well, I do have actually a specific reason that I don't like Hot Corners. Now, I used that at first before I found Better Touch Tools, and I found it to be that a lot of the time I'd have a window spread out full all the way, and there's just a couple different things that would happen to me a lot. So say I'd set it that expose would be to the right hot corner. Now, if you don't know what hot corners is where you take your mouse cursor and you flick it to one of the corners and a certain action will be done. So say you have this set, you flick it to the right, top right to get expose. This is why I found this to not be so great. I'd be doing something and I'd want to look for something on Spotlight, so I just take my mouse and go flick it right to Spotlight, and it'd open expose, and I'd have to redo it and go really slowly all the way to Spotlight and type in what I was looking for, and I didn't like that. Now, if I set it, okay, well, what if I don't want it on that corner? I want to set it to this left corner. left top corner. I'd flick here, say I want to X out a window, I flick all the way over here and I have to click X, but when I'm flicking up here, it thinks that I'm doing a hot corner, so it opens up expose. Now, basically, I only have one knock on this entire mouse. Everything else is perfect, easy to use, works like it's supposed to. There's only one thing that I'm having a problem with, and that is the battery life. Now, Apple advertised this mouse to have extremely long battery life, be super energy efficient, and one thing that they do suggest is that you turn the mouse off, which is super easy to do on the Magic Mouse, but they recommend you turn the mouse off when you're not using it to save battery life. But I find that a little cumbersome and kind of annoying to do every now and then. So it's a lot easier for me to just leave it there and it'll recognize when it's inactive and stuff like that. But they advertised it to say that it was going to last like a couple months and stuff like that, way longer than the old Apple wireless mouse. And I actually found the first battery cycle to last less than the old old Mighty Mouse, which is what I had before, a wireless Mighty Mouse. And they both use two AA batteries. And as you guys see right now, my battery level, which Apple nicely included in the preface pane, it shows you the battery level of your wireless mouse. And if you go to keyboard, it shows you the battery level of your keyboard. I got this computer, I think, on October 28th or 29th of 2009. And right now it is December 6th. This mouse died on me yesterday, so that is about, I don't know, like a little over a month, like a month and a half. So the battery life only lasted about a month and a half. Now, I don't know if the mouse just needed to kind of break in a little bit and the battery life's going to get more and more, but you're using different batteries every time you swap them out, so I don't see why that would be. I don't understand why the battery life wasn't as long as it was advertised, and I know John Rettinger also had the same problem. He had a tweet about it yesterday on Twitter. So, I don't know. If you guys have been experiencing the same problem I have, make sure you leave it in the comments below. I want to know if it's just me or if it's other people are experiencing this problem too. Is the battery life for you a lot shorter than you expected? Let me know in the comments below. Now, the last question you guys may be asking is, who is this mouse for? Is it for me or is it not? Or should I just wait and get a different type of mouse? Now, I highly suggest that this mouse is for the everyday computing user. It's not for the person who's going to be doing really hardcore video editing or really graphic intensive gaming and like you require all these shortcuts on your mouse, or like the Logitech Pro mouse or something like that. If you're thinking of going from one of those higher end mice with all the different customization features to the Magic Mouse, it's probably going to be a step down. But if you're just using a normal mouse and you want to upgrade a little bit, kind of treat yourself, this is the mouse for you. It's good for everyday computing, small video editing, all that different stuff. Very easy. It does do gaming well, maybe not as well as you might like, but it is very easy to use. It's very easy to set up when you get it. Very customizable. Actually, not very customizable, but pretty customizable. And it's at a great price, $69 at the App Store. I give this mouse a 5 stars. It has great design, easy to use. It does need some firmware updates, but we know that's going to come in the future. And for now we have better touch tools. I highly recommend it. It's a great mouse. Thanks everyone for watching my review of my Magic Mouse. If you guys have any concerns, comments, or any stories of your own battery life on your Magic Mouse, or anything you guys want to say, make sure you leave a comment below or post a video response. Make sure you guys rate this video 5 stars, and if you like my videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel because a lot of great content is going to be coming up in the next month or so. We're going to have HD camera, brand new HD camera, so all my videos are going to be in crisp HD, all my reviews, everything like that, and I'm also going to be doing a review of the camera itself, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. There's going to be a lot of Christmas unboxings, so we're going to see a lot of new products, a lot of great stuff, and there's going to be some unboxings for you guys, and possibly a giveaway in the future, so make sure you guys stay tuned to that. There's going to be a pretty big giveaway coming up within the next month or so. And the last thing I want to tell you guys is, if you guys have heard of them, Macintosh Tips, they're another really big YouTube channel, and they're making some great videos. Right now, they've kind of organized this giveaway called the 12 Giveaways of Christmas. Unfortunately, I'm not a part of it, but I just wanted to promote it and kind of help the tech community out. Make sure you guys go check out their channel. There's tons of different tech reviewers. I think it's something over 20 tech reviewers, all giving away products on different days leading up to Christmas. And there's over $2,000 worth of prizes. So make sure you guys definitely go check out Macintosh Tips, subscribe to them, subscribe to all the other people inside this giveaway, and make sure you guys also enter all the giveaways so you can win some products. and check out their website to see what else is going to be given away. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like I said, make sure you rate it, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Techno Buffalo. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.